two blade holders, and I marked them because one is for vinyl and one is for paper. Why that is, I will explain in another video. But first, why it's so frustrating that everyone has different settings with the Brother ScanNCut. As you can see, the blade holders just have stickers on it, and they don't align. Every blade holder has another aligning. That's why it's so confusing with the settings for your blade, but you can fix it very easily. You just turn your blade up until it doesn't turn anymore, and now you might understand why there's so huge difference between settings when you ask for advice. But if you do this, and with every new blade holder you buy, you correct it immediately with your own mark, then you should be fine. If you want to know how you can use your blades for way much longer than you're doing now, watch my next video and I'll explain you everything about it. See you next time.